okay, it's time to do something with this hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, as you saw from the last video that I shared, it was a little struggle getting this hair into a style. I finally did something very quick, rapid. I will post a pic here that you all can see. But I did that to go to the pageant, which I ended up not going to anyway because something came up and I lost the mood for it, so I did not go. But I have been wearing that hairstyle since last week Thursday. It only came off last night just before bed. Unintentionally, actually. I did not plan to take it down because I wanted to show it to you all this morning. But anywho, I took it down last night and this is what we have this morning. It is now Tuesday the 25th. It is actually Carnival Tuesday here in Dominica, but you all know Joanne don't really do carnival, so while the other people are fetting and celebrating, I shall be washing my hair because it needs a wash. So we're gonna get into this wash. I am gonna do a pre-poo today and I am gonna try a different pre-poo, so I wanted to record it to see how different it makes my hair look that I can share with you all, because I know the questions are gonna come after if I don't share it. So I figured, you know what, I might as well share it. Now what I did not do was, when I was making the pre-poo, I did not do a recording. So if you all want to see a recording of the actual mix that I did for making this pre-poo, you all will let me know in the comment section and I will do that in a separate video. Oh, it's so itchy. So it marks exactly a whole month since I have washed my hair, since I have run a comb through my hair, since my hair has been detangled, since my hair has been moisturized, since I have done anything with my hair. Like I told you all in the last video, for the past few weeks I have just been brushing it up into a puff, trying to put in a bun here and there for a couple of days for work, and that's all. I have done absolutely nothing to my hair, so you all can well imagine how matted it is. It is dry, it is matted. Let me tell you, the middle here feels like locks. See how shrunken it is. Just look at this, how shrunken that hair is. And there's always someone to just make some noise. Oh gosh, it is matted, it is shrunken, it is a hot mess. So let's get into this pre-poo before I go into my wash. So today I am using this papaya and aloe mix. You know, a lot of times we see so many things being tried online, or we experiment so much with different things. And you know, papaya, like you all saw from my home and garden 2020 video, is one of the things that we have so much of in my backyard. So one day I said to myself, you know, I wonder if I can, you know, put it in my hair, because everything that I grow, I kind of do research on it to see if I can put it in my hair and what benefits there are for the hair, that kind of thing. So I went online and I googled, you know, papaya for natural hair or papaya for hair care, and I was shocked to see so many articles pop up, and there are even some of these companies, I can't remember what brand it was, that are a whole line of papaya products, and I'm like, girl, what have you been missing? So I decided to read a little, and I kept reading and I kept reading, and I figured, you know what, normally when I do my pre-poo, I do it with just the aloe vera that I pick from my plant outside. So I said to myself, instead of just doing the aloe vera, why not mix it up with the papaya to see what, you know, what it's gonna do and how it's gonna help with the hair. So I did a mix. The little black things you see in here are the seeds from the papaya, because it said that the seeds are good as well. So I put it into this little bottle with the tip, because I want to first put it into my scalp so that I can have the seeds kind of, you know, really act like a scrub for my scalp, so that it can take off all debris and that, because like I said, this hair has not been washed in a month, and at work there is a lot of dust, so I know already it is very, very dirty. So I'm gonna start by going into my scalp with this mix. Let's keep our fingers crossed that it works out well and this does well for my hair. I know aloe does, so I'm gonna see how this works. So yeah. Let me tell you now, the mattedness on this root stay is just unbelievable. Wow. Feels really nice on my scalp though, guys. Doing this massaging and having it go into my scalp, it feels like really soothing and calming. Not calming, but cooling. It has this real cooling effect. I think it's the same effect that the papaya has on my face whenever I pass the skin of the papaya on my face. That I can show you all in another video if you so desire to see. Oh, it's so cooling. Wow. Okay, so let's get some on the edges here. Gosh, this hair is so thick and it is so, oh gosh. Now this, I expected, so I came equipped. Because it's very runny when you add the papaya to it. It's very runny, the aloe and the papaya mix. So I'm gonna put some all over the roots of the hair. I'm hoping that I can get all of it applied before it starts running out too much from the hair. Now this was a 4-ounce bottle, but all of the mix that I made did not fit in there, so I am gonna pour out the rest so that I can apply to the ends. Nice, so the mix actually made a full 8 ounces for me, which is awesome. So I'm gonna just saturate my hair all over my ends and get that worked in there. I wanna try and work as fast as I can, guys, because it is very runny and I don't want it to go too far away from the hair. I kind of really want the hair to benefit from it because it's very runny. Okay, I must say though, the hair already feels softer than it was a while ago, and I know aloe is normally a very good pre-poo for me. It really helps on my scalp, so I'm hoping that the papaya adds that extra little oomph to it. Massage some of the scalp. Oh gosh, that's so cooling, guys. Wow. Wow. I feel like the pores on my scalp are just opening up to receive all the nutrients that the pawpaw and the aloe have to offer. It feels so good. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna try and put it up like this. And before I put on my shower cap, I'm gonna put the rest into the ends again. Get it all in there. Get it all in there. Right. Then I'm putting on the shower cap. As you all can see clearly, shower caps don't really work for me because the hair is so huge. Okay, let me see if I can get a little bit of this in there after the shower cap. I'm just gonna press it in. I don't know, I really like how it feels on my scalp. It has that nice cooling, I don't know, it's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of the plastic over the shower cap so that it keeps everything in there nice and tight and allows for it to just take in more heat so that it can do a proper pre-poo for me. So it kind of doubles as a treatment as well, which I won't mind. Right, so this is that. Right, now, as you all can see guys, I am all dirty. The things we do for our hair, wow. So I'm gonna take this same towel, put it on my hair. That way it allows for more heat to circulate on the hair so that it kind of just, you know, gives it that nice little treatment that it needs. Okay, so I am going to leave this on for at least an hour, and I am hoping that after that hour I am able to at least do some finger detangling or some form of detangling that I can go and complete, so that I can go ahead and just finish washing the hair, because it needs this, it really needs this. So I will see you all in an hour. Okay guys, so I have actually had this on for over 2 hours. I got caught up doing a few things and I wanted to actually cook lunch a bit early today so that we have food to eat even while I'm doing this, because I know it's going to take me a while to do my wash. So it's been over 2 hours since I've had this in my hair. So I'm gonna take it down, see how it looks. I know the aloe normally makes my hair really soft when I do a pre-poo, so it is nice and soft. It does not feel as as knotted as it was a little earlier. So let's see if I can do a quick finger detangle before I go into the shower to rinse it off. Oh gosh, I can already tell that there are some areas that did not get much of the treatment, like here, this area right here. Doesn't have much of it going on, but I'm happy that the middle seems to have some, because that's where I mostly wanted it, right here. It's actually still really knotted, and I don't think I should go ahead and try to do a detangling in the state that the hair is in right now. So I'm going to just tuck it like this, hopefully to take out a lot of the knots that are already there. And then I will go into the shower to wet it before I put on my shampoo. But I will say though that it feels, I guess the aloe, because of the slipperiness, because of the slip that the aloe normally gives, I can feel that it's like, you know, soft and it's not too rough, or it's not, let's say, dried out, that kind of thing. So I can already feel that it added some form of moisture back into the hair. And yeah, let's see. You know, sometimes I wish my hair would do that thing. You know, when a lot of natural hair YouTubers do these little conditioning treatments and do these little DIYs, they're able to take this photo with their hair just hanging flat onto their back with the product in it to do a picture for the thumbnail. But my hair never does that. It always just stays up, because my hair grows out, it does not grow down. So it always just stays up. I never get the chance to be able to do a thumbnail. So let's jump into the shower, rinse this off, and I will be right back. Okay, I tried as much as I could to not wet my hair, my face, or the shirt too much for the rest of this video. But let's see how it looks. Feels good though. Yeah, see those little curls popping and stuff. Wow. My scalp, let me tell you, I rinsed it off with cool water, not too cold but not hot at all, and my scalp felt like it was just breathing, but the hair itself feels like it's basically back to life. So I'm gonna go ahead and just complete my wash, but this is how it's looking. Yeah, let's show you to the back. And guys, like I said, my hair was tangled, it was knotted, it was matted, it was just a whole mess. But I think this purple kind of brought it back to life a little bit. See, all the little curls are just popping, and the middle of it feels like it's actually back to its normal self. So yeah, yep. I even find it's elongated a little bit on my curls. See, like this part is stretched so long. But this is it. But guys, let me know in the comment section if you have used papaya on your hair, and what do you think? How did it do? How did your hair react to it? I think for my first try, it made my hair feel really nice. And like I just said, it's a little more elongated than it normally is when I do a treatment to my hair. Because like I said, my hair normally goes out and not down. So I will keep using it to see what difference it makes in my hair over the next couple of months. Because in the research that I did, it did say that papaya is one of the things that helps with hair growth and keeping it thick and smooth and all that stuff, all that good stuff. So why not make use of the papaya that we have outside, right? So I'm gonna keep using it for the next few months, at least maybe twice a month whenever I am doing my wash. I will do it as a pre-poo like I just did with the aloe. What I can do is maybe do it as an overnight pre-poo in one of my washes to see what difference it makes. And I will be sure to keep you all updated and let you know how that goes. But for now, it feels like the hair is bounced back. It is not so matted. I can actually feel that the knots are coming off slightly, and it is not like locks anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But like I said, guys, let me know in the comment section if you have ever used papaya on your hair, and what results have you seen, what difference have you seen since you used it, if you have used it. I will be sure to give you all regular updates as I continue to use the papaya in my hair, so that you can have an idea how it has made my hair and what progress it has made, or what I think, or what changes I've seen in my hair, all that good stuff in using the papaya on my hair. But thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.